What's going on, guys? Everything Gabe here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your satin matte wrap. Alright, so the products I will be using today is Chemical Guys Auto Wash Satin Matte Finish, Vivid's Shield Protectant, and this I just wanted to show you guys. This is like a spot and spray. And then this is a fused ceramic coating. I will be showing you guys how to use this in a different video. Then I got my little foam gun here and my pressure washer. If you guys want to know how much each one of these products are, I'll have them linked down below in the video. And then to actually wash the whole car down with the soap, I'll be using this microfibric sponge you can get from Walmart for like $5. And then this microfibric cloth to apply this protectant shield. You get these for like $1 anywhere, really. And then for the amount of matte finish soap you want to be using is, I think, 100 milliliters. That's how much I'm going to be using today. Alright, so first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to spray off the entire car just to get any dirt that's might be just piled up on there. And then after that, I'll put the foam gun on and spray it all down.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no.
Alright, so now I'm just going to take the sponge and go over it and wash it pretty much.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Alright, so after you're done washing it and spraying it all down, all the soap, I would recommend picking up one of these rags from Walmart. I can link this down below as well.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, so after you're done drying it all off, you're going to want to use your shield protectant. If you guys do end up picking this up, just spray it on and wipe it off with the microfiber cloth. And yeah.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
So once you are done applying the shield to it, the protectant shield, it should come out something like this. Alright guys, if that video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. And just a little rundown on the products that I use. I use Vivid Shield Protectant at the end. And then I used Chemical Guys Satin Matte Soap. And then this product right here is just for if your car is dirty and you just don't really want to wash it, and you just have like a couple spots that are pretty bad. This is just a spot and spray. And then I used sponge and just to dry it all down, just this rag. And then if you guys would like to see a video on how to apply a ceramic coating, this is a Fuse ceramic coating. This is on Vivid's website. It is $70, but I will link everything that I use down below. And thank you. Thanks for watching.